So hello guys, today I will talk about find command in Linux with example. So first we will make a directory tree, I mean a tree type hierarchy, so we can work with that directory using find command. Okay, we will first make our directory for our example. Okay, so first we will use mkdir command to create our directory, and the directory name is gfg. Okay, hit enter. Yeah, now check if it is or not. Yeah, gfg directory is created. Okay, now we will add three directories inside gfg directory. Okay, demo1, demo2, demo3. Okay, so first we will go inside gfg directory, so go inside gfg directory by using cd command, gfg cd gfg, hit enter. Okay, so we inside gfg directory, and if we type ls we find nothing because the directory is empty. So now we will create three directories inside gfg directory. First, for creating first directory we will use mkdir again, and the first directory name is demo1. Hit enter, check. Yeah, it's created. Then we will create another by using same command, mkdir demo2. Check again. Yeah, we have two directories. Now we will create again another directory using same command, demo, and the directory name is demo3. Okay, check again. So we have three directories, demo1, demo2, and demo3, and both three of them are empty because we not added anything inside these directories. Okay, now we will add a simple text file, empty file inside demo2 directory. So for that we will go inside demo2 directory by typing cd demo2 and hit enter. Okay, now we will use touch command, and uh, touch command to create a empty text file, and the file name which is sample. Okay, hit enter. Now check what inside demo2 directory, just type ls, and we have sample. Okay, sample, maybe wait a second. Yeah, okay, so we have sample type file. Okay, it's create a sample file. Okay, now we will clear everything. Now consider the following tree hierarchy as example. So first we will print our directory. First go outside these directories, cd. Okay, now type tree hyphen a gfg. As you can see, we have this hierarchy. Okay, we will gonna work on this hierarchy. Okay, using find command. Okay, so finding a file with specific name, like you want to find a file sample in gfg directory. Okay, so we will use a command. We will use command find space full stop backward slash gfg space hyphen name space sample. Hit enter, and it says the sample file is inside gfg in slash backward slash demo2. It says the file located inside demo2 directory. Okay, so now next see another command. If you want to search a file with pattern, like is there any txt file or not, like, okay, so if you, for that we need to type find full stop backward slash gfg space hyphen name asterisk dot txt, and we have no file or like a text file. Okay, because we have not assigned any text file inside, we have not created any file, we have not created any text file inside this file. Like if you want to create any, then just go inside cd demo1 sorry, first we need to go gfc directory. Now go to cd demo1 directory. Now create a file cat greater than sign and sample.txt. Now we are creating a txt file. Okay, hit enter, and you can even type anything like this is simple text file. Hit enter and click Ctrl plus C to stop or exit. Okay, now we will use same command like find gfg hyphen name key.txt. Now we are finding .txt all txt files inside gfg directory and hit enter, and it says find gfg. Sorry, we actually inside demo1 file, so first we need to go outside. Now we will use find command to find all the txt files inside gfg directory. Hit enter, and it says the txt there is one txt file and which is located inside demo1 directory. Okay, so how to find and delete a file with confirmation? I mean, I want to find a txt file. Okay, I want to find a txt file and I want to delete it with confirmation. Okay, for that I need to type find. First I will clear everything. Okay, clear. So I want to find a text file and want to delete that file. Okay, gfg hyphen name, and I want to type the file name which I want to search. Okay, so sample.txt. I want to find this file sample.txt and want to delete it with confirmation. Okay, so hyphen exec rm hyphen I parenthesis curly bracket braces semicolon. Okay, just hit enter, and and it asks remove regular file. It's asking if we click y, then it will remove this file, and if we click n, if we enter n, it will not delete. So we will click y and hit enter. Now check if we have our txt file or not inside gfg file gfg. Okay, hit enter, and it shows nothing. It means the file is deleted. Okay, so let's move forward. Search for empty files and directories. Okay, like I want to find all the empty files and directories inside gfg directory. Okay, for that I need to type find // gfg space hyphen empty. Okay, hit enter. So it says demo3 is empty file, empty directory, and demo2 is not empty, but inside a file sample is empty file. Okay, demo1 is empty directory. So this command finds all empty folders and files in the entered directory or subdirectories. Okay, bye, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you, bye.